since the elections were declared for Panchayati Raj and municipal in 2020, Capital Police has been on the job. We have started our deployment, pre-poll deployments from the nomination day, before nomination day itself. On nomination day also there was deployment in the RO offices. That was we have 4 RO returning officer premises here, although there are more numbers of returning officers. And after that, on the scrutiny day as well as on the last day of withdrawal, deployment was there. We are continuously deployed at the state election office also. Then we have also created 11 nakas in total, which are carrying out checking. In this checking, Capital Police, I can tell you that we have got more than 400 liters of liquor, various.
400?
More than 400 liters of liquor of various makes, beer and whiskey and others. Then few arms also we have recovered, and in numbers total of 177 dhow we have seized. Then some other items like baseball sticks and weapon types items we have seized. Apart from this, we have also intensified the patrolling. Night patrolling has been especially intensified. Yesterday, there was a special drive for night patrolling, where even the election observer for Capital Complex was with us. Other thing I can tell you about Capital Complex is that in Capital Complex, it's unique position because we have elections for municipal elections as well as Panchayati Raj elections. So we have around 20 municipal wards. But since 5, there are only 1 candidate, so we will be having polls in 15 of them. So in 15 of them, we have 47 polling stations. In total, we have 47 polling stations in these 15 wards where the polling will be will take place. Yes. After that, we have 3 Jila Parishad areas for Panchayati Raj elections, which is under DEO UPA, which is also being taken care of by Capital Police. This is Bath Ganga, Bandardua, and Borum. So these are the 3 Jila Parishad areas.
Bath, Bandardua, Borum.
In these 3, there are total 19 polling stations. So 47 plus 19, we have 66. And then 1 Lower Balijan polling station, which is in Chesa, also comes under our area. So in total, we have 67 polling stations in the Capital Complex. So on the polling day, we have already made out the arrangements. There will be a total 411 state police personnel deployed. 2 companies of CRPF which are already with us for law and order duties, they will be deployed here. 101 lady recruit constables who are being trained in PTC. They have also been provided because we have not received any further forces from outside. So they have been given us as a force multiplier, and they are also being deployed. Also, the forest department has been helping with 12 forest guards. They have provided us, and the Itanagar traffic warden also. They are very helpful in our law and order duties. 83 of them are being used in the election duties.
Traffic warden. 83
of them. Sir has already mentioned polling stations, sensitive, hypersensitive and normal, accordingly we will deploy. Total there are 22 normal polling stations, 30 sensitive and 15 hypersensitive in the Capital Complex region.
Again, please this figure repeat again.
Okay, normal there are 22 polling stations, sensitive 30 and hypersensitive 15. 15. So which makes it a total of 67 polling stations.
So do you have any traffic plan for Capital Complex? Because the day will be declared as a holiday. The State Election Commission has recommended the state government.
Okay. Traffic management is a part of the municipal election officer's area of influence. He will be looking at the requirement and taking out the order in terms of what the traffic management has to be. And according to the order which is passed by the municipal election officer, we will be managing the traffic. In terms of ground requirement, like I said, apart from the polling stations, we will also be putting up nakas. Around 13 nakas will be there. 4 border checkposts will be there. and people will be on the ground. Then we will also have reserves at 3 reserves each in police station area, along with this deputy commissioner reserve. So these all people will be in the area doing area domination, as well as helping our people with reaching the polling stations, and also ensuring that they are able to they are able to look into they are able to participate in the polling process without any fear.
Yeah, SP Sahib, I wanted to know, because some of the person has been calling me here. They wanted to know whether the border of the capital city would be sealed, because they have the apprehension that non-APST voter across the Assam would be coming to capital complex to cast the vote in place of some of the vacant voters.
Will your border be sealed? What is the
Okay.
during election voting time? Whether it is sealed or not?
Like, the borders will be sealed.